guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how I achieved this wavy bombshell glam look that I have going on my wig. So let's get into the video. I've laid out everything I need on this table, and I'm going to start by putting my wig on my wig head. I'm going to pin my wig onto the wig head so it doesn't move around a lot, just to keep it steady. And I'm using ordinary pins that they normally use for sewing clothes. So once my wig is pinned on, I'm going to use the Tresemme heat protectant spray, and I'm just going to spray down the hair just to protect my hair because I'm going to be using quite a lot of heat. I'm going to take a paddle brush and I'm going to brush my hair, comb out any tangles, and also it helps to spread the heat protectant spray all over the hair. Then I'm going to take my blow dryer and just run the brush through the hair so I can get my hair nice and straight. You don't necessarily have to do this step, but I'm doing it because I had worn the wig before and I felt like I needed to blow dry it before I actually curled it. My hair is now nice and straight and we are ready to start curling. What you see me doing here is I am sectioning the hair. I'm just sectioning my hair so it becomes easier. When I've sectioned it, then I'll just let loose sections of the hair. My hair is sectioned and I'm now going to take my tong. This is a Safeway tong that I bought from Clicks a few years back, and I'm also going to be using my L'Oreal Elvive oil. So I'm going to apply to each section before I curl. I find that this just makes my curls come out better. So there isn't really a method to the curling. I prefer curling my hair away from the face. So I curl my hair outwards and I change direction. If I'm curling on the left, you'll see I change direction. But different methods for different people. This is just how I do it. So after I roll the hair in the tong, I'll leave it in for a couple of seconds and then I will unroll it and you will see the hair is curled. Simple. So I've now changed directions, like I'm moving around so I can get better angles to curl the hair at. Guys, you really want to be careful. It is so simple to burn yourself with a tong. I have done it so many times, so be careful not to singe your fingers because it's not a nice thing. You want to continue curling your hair. Let down a section, curl your hair. Today's look doesn't really have like defined curls. That's why I'm just curling and the curls are kind of loose because that is the look I am going for. If you would like to see a video where I do defined curls, like sort of tight curls, then let me know in the comment section down below. I'm almost halfway through with the hair, and as you can see, for every section I rub just a drop or two of the elvive serum in my hands, and I will smear it through the hair, and then I will continue to curl the hair. Once I'm done curling the hair and it's just the closure part left, then I'm going to sit down and put the wig on so I can curl my closure. As you can see, I've put my wig on and I'm just adjusting it so it can sit right. Then I am going to curl the closure. What you want to do is take smaller sections of the hair on your closure and curl away from your face. As you can see, I'm taking smaller sections of the hair and I'm curling it away from my face. Be careful not to burn your forehead, guys. I've got burn marks from curling my hair while it was on my head, so please be careful. Safety first.
Knockout. You win.
Once I'm done with the one side, I'm now going to go ahead and curl the other side of my closure off camera, and then I'll be back. So my closure is curled. I'm done. I'm going to take a comb, just like a white tooth comb, and comb out the curls. and then try to place the curls the way I want them to, like depending on how you want your curls to look. I use my fingers and I use this comb just to split out the curls. I then went in with my paddle brush because I wanted my curls to merge and create that wave effect, so I'm also using my paddle brush. Don't worry, that's not going to kill your curls. At this point, I really was not feeling how this middle part was looking, so I went ahead and I changed my parting to a side part, and I'm using the tong just to smooth the hair so it can lay flat on the side. And I continue to curl. If you feel like the curls have gone flat or you want to fix, then do it. So I took the tongs and I started curling out to the front because I wanted like that swoop kind of bang that was going to the side, and that is all I am doing.
Knockout. You win.
So finally the hair started looking the way I wanted it to look. I'm happy with these curls, and I'm going to change and do my makeup so I can give you a final look. Thank you so much for watching my video, guys. This is the finished product like you saw in the intro, and your curls will be soft and your hair is wavy and it's like bombshell, you know. And thank you so much for watching my video. Please don't forget to hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, and I'll see you next time in my next video.